Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the latest buzz surrounding Apple's next generation MacBook Pro. If you've been eyeing on the new Pro level laptop, you are going to want to stick around because we're breaking down all the rumors about the Empire MacBook Pro, its release date, and what you can truly expect. Let's get straight to the biggest news. The upcoming MacBook Pro models are expected to feature the brand new Empire Pro, and Empire Max chips. These powerful new processors will be built on TSMC's advanced 3N process, specifically the N3P, promising efficiency and performance improvements. However, all indicators suggest that these performance gains might be more modest than the lips of its earlier Apple Silicon generations. Now, if you're hoping for radical design, temper your expectations for this particular refresh. Rumors suggest that beyond the internal chip upgrades, we won't see any significant changes to the MacBook Pro's physical design or a flood of new features. For a more substantial overhaul, think OLED displays and a thinner chassis. It looks like we'll likely be waiting until late 2026 or even 2027, possibly with the M series of chips. While not officially confirmed, it's highly probable that these new MacBook Pro models will support Wi-Fi 7. This would be a welcome upgrade, especially since the current M4 MacBook Pro models didn't include it. Beyond that, don't expect many other major new features in this iteration. This is where things get a bit interesting and, dare I say, slightly confusing. Historically, 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro refreshes usually drop around October. However, recent reports from reliable sources like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman suggest that Apple is now considering pushing the Empire MacBook Pro launch to early 2026, potentially around January. This would mirror the timing of the M2 Pro, M2 Max MacBook Pro launched from early 2023. It's worth noting that the Empire chip itself is still expected to debut sooner. We're anticipating the new iPad Pro refresh with the Empire chip to arrive this fall, making the first Apple product to showcase the new Empire Silicon. So what does this all mean for you? This Empire MacBook Pro refresh is shaping up to be a relatively minor one. If you own an M3 or even M4 MacBook Pro, the performance gain might not be compelling enough to warrant an immediate upgrade. You might be better at choosing an existing MacBook Pro model that suits your needs now, especially with potential deals on current M4 machines. Alternatively, if you were holding out for a new major design leap, an OLED display, and the absolute latest and greatest, waiting for the M6 generation in the late 2026 or 2027 might be your best bet, even if it means a longer wait. What are your thoughts on this MacBook Pro rumors? Are you holding out for the Empire, or are you eyeing on the future OLED models? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech news and insights. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.